This is Taylor Bee Media. We're doing some beekeeping at this too damn gorgeous RN's house. And the bees are doing wonderful, guys. I want to just give you a close-up of this. Beautiful. Busy at work. Busy at work. So this is where it's at. This is what we gotta do. It's beautiful. Little rascals.
So it looks like on this one they're
starting to fill it.
Yeah, they on the other side. Now what I didn't do, I didn't wax it, but it, as you can see, they did very well because I just popped it in and I didn't wax it. But they're doing a very good job. It looks like, from what I'm looking at right here, they're starting to do that on this one.
Okay.
So probably, next Friday, we're going to check, and this is frame 5.
Okay.
So next Friday, we got to check out frame 5.
Frame 5, guys. We got to remember that.
Frame 5 and frame 4.
Frame 4 and 5 don't have too much action, so we're going to check them next week to see their progress.
Right.
All right.